What is up, guys? Snubbish here, and it's time for another episode of Watch Dogs Hood Life. But I don't know if I'm going to continue this series. I might, but it's like there's nothing left to do in Watch Dogs anymore, so I'm just probably going to start doing Watch Dog Hood Life online videos. So I probably still will be doing Hood Life, I ain't for sure, but if I do, we'll probably be online from now on. So, yeah. But I just don't know what to do. Let's just kill people for this episode. Killing spree.
911, state your emergency, please. Hey, I don't know what's going on, but you better send something out. I think I lost a caller.
Yeah, tell you how long we can hold the cops off and stuff.
Got fire. Oh, guys, people, help. Hello, are you still there? Hello?
Quit snitching. We gotta find somewhere to post up.
911, please state your
Give me the fucking valve.
Hey, there's a guy shooting over here. He just opened fire. Help!
Yeah, we want cops on us. Where are we gonna post up at? I need to get on the roof or something, dude. We're gonna freaking get killed. Ah! Let me in. Oh, yeah. We're posting up in here. Get out. Can I open the door? I can't open the door. That'd be cool if you could, like, hold the door shut. Yes. Shut back. What? What the fuck are you doing, bro? Get me in here. Oh, I can steal money? Ooh. Oh, hey. I don't think the cops will come in here, to be honest. Shooters on the roof. What should we use? Let's use our automatic shotgun. Wait. Yeah, this is the automatic one, I think. No, it ain't. Nope. That's a police shotgun. Which one is it? Well, this is the best one then, anyway. Oh, are they coming from the back? Oh! Oh, shit! Oh! Oh! Well, if you like this video, leave a like down below and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys next time. And I'll be doing a different gaming video probably right after this or later. So, peace out, y'all.